How to connect email to Wix website. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to connect your business email to your Wix website and receive some emails. And also you can add it into the bio contact right there into the footer. So it is very easy and very simple. All you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you are going to be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to head over your platform of Wix or your dashboard. As you can see here, we have here the site's dashboard. We can see the websites or all the websites that we have created already. So we are going to select one of the websites. Remember, each website is going to be independent from the other ones. So make sure that you're going to use the right website. So we are going to select the my site number 3. So we are going to click on select and edit site. It will load up right there the dashboard. Once the dashboard is going to be loaded, you're going to see here the different elements and steps that is or that are missing from completion. So you are going to complete them and also set up everything. Now, at the top, we're going to see a welcome back message, as you can see, and we have here the resume of the account. We have the type of the account. We have the domain. You can go ahead and connect your domain. We have a business email or email. And also, we have some business information editing. So we have here the business email. We are going to click on connect. Now we are going simply to add our domain because we need a domain. You need to connect your domain and also buy a subscription on this one. As you can see, this is a limited time only offer. So we are going to click on connect a domain because here we need a professional email that would implement this type of, as you can see, link or address. So either it would be here info, support, or your name at yourdomain.com. You're going to click on connect domain, buy a domain right there, select it, for example, Jack Smith, like that. And for example, online.com, shop, blog, and etc. So then you're going to see if it is available or not, and you're going to see also the pricing. So it's taken, so you are going to see here some recommendation, or you can go ahead and put online and see until you are going to get that domain. Buy your domain and it will be added, and you are going to put here info at or your name of the website at here and etc. So that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.